Calling all real estate developers. If you want to take your business to the next level, apply today for our 5-day Develop the Developer Academy. HomeFree-USA, Freddie Mac, and local lenders are coming together to bring you a comprehensive 5-day academy that will expose you and teach you the ins and outs of real estate development in Baltimore and Prince George's County. We will show you how to access state of Maryland programs and subsidies for real estate developers. We will connect you with lenders who have access to the capital you need to finance your projects. If you want a head start, get going and apply today for our 5-day Develop the Developer Academy. The Academy is November 7th to the 11th, but you must apply by September 26th in order to be considered. Log on to homefreeusa.org/developer to apply today. That